Eva. Eva Dandridge?
Wishes?
Thought that was you. How you been?
I'm fine. Wishes. It's nice to see you again.
I want you to meet somebody. My wife, Renee. Baby, this is Eva.
Oh, the love of his life. I've heard so much about you. I hate you.
Eva and I were engaged after high school, but we didn't work out.
You dumped me, Lucius.
Right. Didn't you have to go work for your baby sisters or something?
Oh, Eva, you broke Lucius's heart. Thank God you did, though, or else I never would have got him.
So where's your date?
Running late.
So how long you two been going out?
Well, not long. I was in Africa on business. The city is trading with the brothers over there. I came all the way back to escort Eva.
What's poppin'? What's good? It's Elfie, and I'm here with a little tutorial. So this tutorial was inspired by the movie Deliver Us From Eva. I just recently saw it and it was really, really good. I love Gabrielle Union, like especially early 2000s Gabrielle. Gabrielle was forever serving looks. Like she just could not be stopped. This movie, I was inspired. So there was one particular scene, the one that I just reenacted because I'm weird. But she was just looking really good. I loved how soft the look was, but she still looked really elegant. So I thought I'd try to recreate it with my limited makeup skills. But you know, hey, it's something to do. We're under quarantine. As you can see, I cleaned up my eyebrows. I tried to make them as thin as possible because for some reason, the girls in the 2000s thought it was cute to have like no eyebrows. Like a couple hairs on your face is as great as it gets. But I'm not crazy, so I tried to clean them up without making them too thin, but still getting the same effect. If you know me, you know I love a good throwback. Anything that's like an ode to the early 2000s or to the 90s, I'm here for it. Whether that's movies, music, all of that. And I really will just sit down sometimes and think, I was really born at the wrong time. Like I deserved to enjoy all of this stuff at its peak and not just reminisce about it as if I was there, even though I wasn't. In the movie, Gabrielle was serving shapoppin' skin, like glowing from within greatness. And I can only aspire to be as dewy as she is, you know, like just radiating. And so I tried to cheat and use this spray that I have. It's the Smashbox Petal Metal Shimmer Spray, and it helps to give me a little bit of an extra glow. I really like it because it is light, but it still has enough of a punch that it gives me a normal looking sheen. I was really debating whether or not I should put concealer on my lids before I started my eyeshadow, because to be completely honest, I'm not really sure what their practices were back then before you started eyeshadow. Did they just bare it and just put it straight on your eye without putting any base on top? I wasn't really sure, but because it's a habit, I decided to conceal my lids. The brushes I was using were absolute trash, but with a little bit of elbow grease and patience, it ended up coming out the way that I wanted it to. I mixed two different colors from the two palettes that I had shown earlier, and it gave me the right shade of purple that I was looking for. I also added pink in the center because it seemed like the color that Gabrielle's character had was a mixture between the two. It's a simple two-toned based look, but it comes off really pretty. For a little extra va-va-voom on the eyes, I added some lashes off camera, and I think it really brought everything together. My favorite foundation in the world is the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. Oh my goodness, guys. There has not been a foundation that has stuck by me, been tried and true to me, quite like this one. The only problem is I have trouble finding my shade. The stores near me don't usually carry it because I'm one of the last shades on the spectrum, I believe. It is 375 Java, and for some reason, none of the stores near me have it. So I had to go across the border to go get my shade. And that was really unfortunate, but I love this formula so much. And I used to use it in like a lighter shade that wasn't it was close, but it wasn't it. And since I found this one, I have not looked back. So let me know if a drugstore near you carries my shade because I have to go clean up house. The next thing I used was the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I had to take it easy with this because it seemed like the look was very dewy. So I didn't want to make everything too matte, but I wanted it to have a nice natural finish where it seemed like, you know, it was cleaned up, but not completely powdered down. Speaking of things I have difficulty finding in the store, it's contouring products. So oddly enough, I use a eyeshadow to contour because I can't seem to find a stick foundation that I like or isn't too red or isn't too light that will, you know, do the job for me. So I just end up using the darkest powder that I can find to even out my cheekbones. To line my lips, I used the MAC In My Fashion lipstick. It has a nice satin finish and it makes my lips pop just a little bit more when I use a nice lip gloss. So the lip gloss that I chose was something a little bit shimmery. It's the Estee Lauder lip gloss. I'm not exactly sure what the name of the gloss is, but it gives me Fenty gloss vibes, so I was with it. And there you have it. That was my Deliver Us From Eva look. I had a lot of fun making this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Stay safe, stay at home, wash your hands, and I'll see you later. Bye.